dear students, how are you? I am once again before you with the topic narration, volume 3rd. This is continued, and we have talked about the rule first in the second volume. Now I am telling you the second rule of direct and indirect speech. How to convert direct speech into indirect speech. This rule is, if the reporting verb is in past tense, the tense of reported speech will change into past tense. Once again, rule number second. The first one was, पहला तो कौन सा था? If the reporting verb is in present or future tense, the tense of reported speech will not change. That will remain unchanged. But in the second rule, we are changing the tense of the reported speech as follows. You can see that the rule is, the second rule is, if the reporting verb is in past tense. I have underlined this thing. If the reporting verb is in past tense, the tense of reported speech will change into past tense. यदि रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब पास्ट टेंस में है तो रिपोर्टेड स्पीच का जो टेंस है वो पास्ट टेंस में परिवर्तित हो जाएगा. द एंड इफ द रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब इज इन पास्ट टेंस, द टेंस ऑफ रिपोर्टेड स्पीच विल चेंज इनटू पास्ट टेंस. द चेंज इन द टेंसेस इज एज फॉलोज. टेंसों में जो चेंज होगा, जो परिवर्तन होगा, इज एज फॉलोज, निम्नानुसार है. आई हैव मेड 3 टेबल्स हियर टू चेंज द टेंसेस. प्रेजेंट टेंस विल चेंज इनटू पास्ट टेंस. यू कैन सी हियर देयर आर 3 tables, and this first one is showing that direct speech and indirect speech. So the first tense, present tense, you know there are 12 tenses and they will be changed into past tense. How will they be changed? You can see here, present tense will change into past indefinite. Present indefinite tense, sorry, here present indefinite tense. Present indefinite will change into past indefinite, and you can see the verb also here. You can see the verb here, V first or V first plus SES will change into V second, the second or second form of the verb. The first form will change into second form of the verb. In the same way, present continuous will change into past continuous. Past continuous. ISMR plus V first plus ing, present participle. This is known as present participle also. ISMR plus V first plus ing will convert into was verb plus V first plus ing. And the third, present perfect tense will change into past perfect tense. Present perfect tense verbs are have, has plus V third, and this will change into had plus V third. And fourth, present perfect continuous tense will change into past perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense have been, has been plus V first plus ing will change into had been plus V first plus ing. In short, we can understand that present tense will change into past tense. Present indefinite into past indefinite. Present continuous into past continuous. Present perfect into past perfect. Present perfect continuous into past perfect continuous tense. Okay, they are so simple and we can learn them through this table. Next, in the second table, you can see that we are starting this past tense here. past indefinite tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, past perfect continuous tense. Here past indefinite tense will change into past perfect tense. What are their verbs? Second form of the verb or did plus be first will change into had plus be third. Past indefinite tense will change into past perfect tense. And past continuous tense will change into past perfect continuous tense. Past continuous tense was verb plus be first plus ing will change into had been plus be first plus ing. Next comes past perfect tense. Past perfect tense will change into past perfect. Mean to say that past perfect tense will not change. Here you can see that had plus be third will change into had plus be third. I have written in green ink. You can see here no change. There will be no change in past perfect tense. In the same way, similarly, in past perfect continuous tense, had been plus be first plus ing will not change. It will remain unchanged. Past perfect continuous tense will change into past perfect continuous tense. Means there is no change. This tense will not change. Past perfect continuous tense will not change. Had been plus be first plus ing, had been plus be first plus ing, and you can see here it is written in green ink. There is no change. It means past perfect tense and past perfect continuous tense will not change. Now I comes the third table. This is related future tense and others. Future tense, future indefinite tense. You can see here I have written their verbs only. Shall or will plus be first will change into should, would plus be first. Shall be, will be plus be first plus ing will change into should be, would be plus be first plus ing. They are changing into past tense. The same way, shall have, will have plus be third will change into should have, would have plus be third. Similarly, shall have been, will have been plus be first plus ing will change into should have been, would have been plus be first plus ing. For now, there are 12 tenses. 12 tenses are completed here, and you can see can, may. They are models. Can, may plus be first are changed into could or might plus be third. I mean to say can will change into could and may will change into might. And plus be first here, this will not be third, will change into could and may will change into might. And they are followed by be first, and we know that modals are followed by be first. These are modals. Should will change into should and it will be followed by be first, and must may be followed, must is followed by be first, but must may be converted. मस्ट जो है वो बदला जा सकता है हैड टू में, अदरवाइज मस्ट का मस्ट भी रहने दो तब भी ठीक है, बट मस्ट कैन बी चेंज्ड इनटू हैड टू प्लस वी फर्स्ट. इन दिस वे वी कैन लर्न द टेबल हाउ टू चेंज द वर्ब्स डायरेक्ट स्पीच टू इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच. While changing direct speech into indirect speech, this table is very important, very useful, so we have to learn this table. And while we change the words, this will help you in changing direct speech into indirect speech. Okay. Now I will teach you, I will tell you how to use this table in this exercise. How will change the tenses taking the help of this table, I shall solve these direct speeches. I have given this exercise for examples. So I shall take the help of this table, all the tables, and you can see that there are 5 examples, and they have written in direct speech, and I have to change them into indirect speech with the help of this, with the help of the tables, to the change in the tenses. And here I will apply this formula RV CW PVT where necessary. Okay. Now to understand this thing more clearly, I shall underline the changeable things. Okay. We shall read out the whole sentence. Rakhi said to me, she will go to temple daily. Rakhi said to me, she go to temple daily. Said to will be underlined. Okay. Because it is RV. CW, we shall put CW here. Next comes P, pronouns. Here this is pronoun, but this is the third person. I shall tell you about the changing of the persons in the next video. Okay, but here it is in the third person, and it is, this will not be changed. And goal is verb. It is verb. It is pronoun. We can write also. To temple, no change. Daily, no change. So there is only RV, CW here, and P, V or T. There is no T. T means time adverbials. So you can see that I am applying this formula RV, CW, PVT, and I am telling about verbs, how to change verbs in indirect speech. Okay, here you can see this is direct speech. These verbs are in direct speech, and they have been changed into indirect speech. Now I shall change them. Okay, Rakhi said to me. You can see the Rakhi said to will change into told. As we have already studied about this thing, said to will be changed into told. Rakhi told me. Rakhi told me. Here both the sentences will be connected with that. That. Okay. It is connecting word. That is connecting word. She comes in the third person, and there will be no change in person. This will not change. That she will remain unchanged because there is no change in the third person, and she comes in the third person. Okay. To temple, she goes. Goes is the first person. It comes in the present indefinite tense. Present indefinite tense, V first plus SES will change into second form of the verb. Now this will change into, goes will change into went. What? Went. She went to temple daily, and daily will not change. Okay, and inverted commas will be removed. Okay, inverted commas are removed while changing direct speech into indirect speech. I can write also this is direct speech. I can write in this form DS direct speech. D for direct, S for speech. Now indirect speech IS. Okay. Raki said to me she go to temple daily will be converted into indirect speech like this way. Raki told me that she went to temple daily. This is now correct. Let's suppose ये एक नंबर का आता है, नंबर एक only. This question carries only 1 mark, single mark. So you have changed these words. Let's suppose you have applied only this, that, and when. You can get half mark, half, and half, and you can get 1 mark. If you are unable to change this, goes into when, and you have applied this, that connecting word, you can get half mark also. So don't give up hope, and you should try to solve the terms one by one. Okay. And if you are able to change this verb, you can easily change the direct speech into indirect speech. But everything will be learned step by step. The first one is clear, the second. Now the comes to second. Again, I shall underline the changeable words. What? We repeat the same formula. Army, CW, PVT. Reporting verb, connecting word, pronouns, verb, time verb. Yes. Here, Ram will remain unchanged. Said to will be changed because it is reporting verb. Are we here? No change. Here, CW will be used. Will be applied here. That will be applied here in the form of connecting word. Okay. Vishal is noun. No change. Has completed. We are telling you about the verb, how to change the verbs into indirect speech. Okay. Our aim is to change the verbs into past tense, and we have drawn this tables. I have explained, I have changed all the words into indirect speech in the form of tables here. We can take the help of these tables wherever we want, where is necessary. Okay. Has completed is a present perfect tense. Here we can see have has plus be third will change into had plus be third. Why we change? Because the reporting verb is in past tense. This will change into had plus be third. Now this will change. His homework is also pronoun, but it will not change because it is related to third person. And in indirect speech, third persons are not changed. I shall teach you about persons in the next topic. Okay. I am only mentioning, I am only describing, I am only changing the words, how to change the words direct speech into indirect speech. अब have plus third form आ गई. अब केवल there will be three changes will take place. केवल आरवी चेंज होगी, CW अप्लाई होगा, प्रोनाउन चेंज हो नहीं रहा है, वर्ब हो रही. ये वर्ब, ये देखिए यहाँ पर फिर दोबारा वर्ब चेंज होगी. यहाँ पे भी आप देखा पहले वाले में यहाँ पर वर्ब चेंज हुई और कुछ चेंज नहीं हुआ. टोल्ड, दैट और व्हेन ये हुए चेंज. तो राम सेड टू की जगह हो जाएगा टोल्ड. इन प्लेस ऑफ सेड टू we use told. Ram told us. And to connect both the sentences, we use that in the form of connecting word. This thing is very common. Vishal is a noun. it will not change. Has completed, this is our aim. Has completed will change into had completed in present perfect tense. Present perfect tense will change into past perfect tense. Okay. Here you can see have, has plus V third will change into had plus V third. I am taking help. I am changing this verb with the help of this table. Okay. Had plus V third means had V third completed. Vishal had, in place of had, I have written had, and had completed his homework. Now I have solved these two exercises, two examples, first and second one. Okay. Third, fourth and fifth are for you to be solved. Okay. With the help of these tables, you will convert the direct speeches into indirect speeches. Okay. And you will solve them and you will send them through comment box, and I shall check them, and you can easily convert them into indirect speech with the help of this formula RVCW and with the help of these tables. I think that there will be no any difficulty in solving them, and I will be very happy if you send the answers in the comment box. And I shall give you more exercise for solving, okay, in the next video. You should update this exercise, and you can download the exercise from the Jupyter app, and you can solve them and give your comments to the comment box. Okay, you will find so many exercises on notifications, and we shall send you notification in this regard, and you can download the exercise and sit at home and solve them and send your answer through comment box. Okay.